welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing something a little bit different, little tiny tinsy bit different. So today we are just gonna try a little bit of TikTok hacks. I just got sucked up in TikTok. I'm trying to do 1 or 2 TikToks. I have made an ID but I haven't posted one yet. It will be recent in 1 or 2 days max. So yeah, if you want to see, I have 6 or 7 TikTok hacks that I really want to try and see that is it worth it or is it a hack or it just takes a gimmick. It's just a gimmick. So let's get started with the video. It's made myself really beautiful. You can take a look. I'm sorry, the lighting is a little bit different. So yeah, I'm beautiful. Now we are going to talk about a TikTok hack that is related to eyebrows. We generally used eyebrow pencil just to fill in our eyebrows, but there is a hack that states that one, you need a black eyebrow pencil if you have black eyebrows, and you just firmly shape it like with the eyeshadow brush. You can just pinpoint it, and after that just clean it up with a concealer, and it allegedly is easier than that of just filling in your eyebrow. So we will see about that.
Zoom you in for the hack. So basically, it's quite easy as you see. So I'm just taking a black eyebrow pencil. I didn't use black eyebrow pencil. Just taking black eyeshadow. I'm just filling it in. Let's see. Repeat it again. So this is my eyebrow. I fill it in. Yeah, you just carve it out with the concealer. Okay, so here is our concealer. I just take concealer. In shade number 4. I'm just taking the dark concealer and just carving it out.
This is the final brow. No, that is, it took me like 3 minutes just to carve it out properly, and no, this hack is a complete fail for me. It takes me a lot more time, a lot more concealer, and my brows look like block brow. I don't like it. I'm not that type. I like a really natural type of brow. So no, I don't think that's a lot of work, and I don't think it's for me. Okay. Next, I'm taking my Pond's gel. Because the video will be like 30 minutes long. So yeah. This is now we're gonna apply a little bit of, where is my powder? A little bit of powder. This is my translucent powder. A little bit. I have a little bit. We're gonna set it with the setting spray. I just have Gulab Jal setting spray because quarantine you have to do what you primer. I don't use primer. I just have that same. Where is my powder? I can't find it. So I just use the same technique. I'm just applying a little bit on my T-zone because I am very oily, very dry. I'm sorry, very dry. So our foundation to this side and to this side. This is normal, and this is like set it with the warm. Yeah.
Now we're gonna use foundation
both of the sides, and you will see that if it really is different in both the sides. I'm gonna use same beauty blender, but I just shifted to the different side and apply the. Guys, for my liking, I think it is just emphasizing a little bit of dark, like patches on my skin, dry patches, and emphasizing the little bumps and those I have. But this side, I don't know what happened. Sorry. This side, it is not emphasizing any of that. It has a luminous glow, you can see, but this side, a little bit, I guess, but not so much. And frankly, this side feels locked, like very heavy kind of way. This side is very light, but because I haven't set it with any powder or anything, this side feels light, and this side actually feels a little heavy as compared to this. So it's your personal preference. For me, I don't think I'm going to use this hand because it feels heavy, and I don't like when makeup feels like makeup on a big chunk of makeup on your face. So yeah. Next is an eyeshadow hack, just to use a little bit of concealer and a little bit of any eyeshadow and make it a pigmented concealer, just to apply on like cream type of. So I'm gonna go make it and I will be right back. Just taken a little bit of brown color. Now I'm using a little bit concealer just to have a liquid base for it. A little bit more, yeah. So now we are gonna just apply it on my eyelid and we will see. I'll just zoom you right in. So yeah, this is my eye. Like, yeah, it is eyeshadow. It's not that pigmented because obviously that changed it. Okay, yeah, it is eyeshadow, but you have to just blend it. I'm gonna blend it properly and I'll be right back. Guys, my eyeshadow is completely blended. I really like it actually, because in no makeup days I just want to apply a little bit of cream concealer and pigmented concealer, and it just works. You just have to apply a little bit of translucent powder just to set it, because it may crease. Right now I don't think it's creasing that much. So yeah, I actually, that's the first thing. I like this. I really like this. This is a thumbs up for me. But yeah, it creates a little bit of mess because my cap is fully destroyed. I just need to clean it up. So it just creates a little bit mess, but for me it's fine. The product, I like it and I would be using it again. Guys, everybody's in this trend, so I'm going to do a wing liner by using a spoon. Yeah, I'm trying to. I'm not sure if I would be able to. So yeah, I would be trying to. Just let's zoom you in a little bit and we would get started. I'm gonna use this edge. Let's see how it goes. Not so confident about it. I am terrified for my life. How do people do that, man? I don't understand. Okay. So this is. Now we are using this side of the foot to make it like a wing. Oh man, I am struggling. I am just gonna use this side. So just to make a teeny tiny wing, I guess. Okay. No. No. Use your tip and just speed, so I have to sabotage it. It was just a mess, and this is eyeliner. You want your eyeliner to just touch your brows, then that's the hack for you. That's the hack for you. But if you really want to be normal, just don't do it. I think I have a last. I know it's a little bit long video, but enjoying it. So it's a last hack for you all. Let's skip. So after me torturing myself to do a wing that is
longer than my eyebrow and my eyelashes, let's get to the lips part. So,
to just use the foundation on the tip of your tip of and then brush to make sure that it is clearly connected. The top part is clearly connected. So I'm using a blush from a little bit on my hand because I think we're gonna apply our lipstick, which I don't think I have. It's a very old lipstick, so I'm gonna apply it. Do I look really beautiful?
Oh my god, my lipstick looks horrendous. And I'm waiting for it. Do my lips look
Juicy, I feel. It looks. It just looks shiny as hell, and I don't like it. I'm sorry, but if you do that, I don't like it. But there is a hack that I use regularly if I have just shiny lipstick and I'm gonna make.
it matte. Just use a little bit of translucent powder to put in my hand and just apply it on the part. I'm sorry, my lips look horrendous because I'm nowhere to go and I'm gonna enjoy it. So yeah, you can take as much as
If you want, I have to.
yeah. This hack I use generally to apply my
Lipstick, if my lipstick is not matte.
you can easily develop it. And look at my horrendous color line. I don't like it. So guys, this was all.
For today, I used a little bit hacks. I have a lot more. If you want to see part 2, just like, share and subscribe to my channel. That would mean a world to me. I'm trying a lot because I'm in quarantine at my relative's place. I have not a lot of things, a lot of products to. So I'm really sorry for a little bit different. I would be coming up with makeup as soon as the quarantine ended. So yeah, if you like this video, like, share and subscribe. I would love you to just enjoy my videos, and if you want to see part 2, just comment down below that if you want to see part 2. I would be trying a lot more TikTok hacks for you, and I would be sharing my TikTok ID in the description bar down below. I have not started it. I have made an ID. In 2 or 3 days I would post 1 or 3 dance videos because I do dance a little bit, not more. So yeah, for all that, I will see you soon. Bye bye. And one more thing, just take care, stay at your home and enjoy with your family because it is time for self-care and self-quarantine. I know most of us, if you're a college student, we are stuck with studies and assignments. It would be very hard for you to live for so much time at your relative's place or something, but just hang tight, it will be over and you'll be back to your normal life. So just stay, enjoy, and stay at home and be safe. So yeah, I'll see you really soon. Bye bye.